Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a family. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I'm using a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Let's start. We're gonna do 4 heads, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm gonna start with the bottom on the left. I'm gonna do the ear first, so the letter C. Then I'm gonna go around with the letter U, and this letter U is gonna be kind of like flat on the bottom and go up, passing the ear. Okay, we're gonna pass the ear. Now next to this one, we're gonna do another one, and it's gonna be the same. It's gonna be a letter U, but this one is a little low than the first one. So the line I'm going to stop a little down, you see? Next, I'm going to do here the ear, and inside I want to put a little line. Let's do the same on the other side. Let's put lines in the ears, and now here I'm going to continue. This is going to be a girl, so I'm going to go up for the hair and another line, and it passes a little bit the line of the face. And now let's go around and close this. Good. Now this is gonna be a boy, and I'm gonna start with the hair, so I'm going up, and I want to do a couple U shapes that connect to the other side. And now let's go up with a tiny little letter U's, one more, and now let's close this with a curved line that connects to the right side. There. The next thing is gonna be his body part, and it's just gonna be 2 lines, and I want to follow this same line. So for the girl, I want to try to stop at the same height, you see right here. So these lines are a little short, and I'm following this imaginary line. Then I want to do the eyes for the boy. Let's do 2 oval shapes, and we're gonna fill them with black. And now the nose is a C shape and 2 eyebrows, and the smile is gonna go big, so we're gonna go across the eyes. So let's start with 2 curved lines, and now I want to connect these 2 with a curved line that goes underneath the nose to the other side. Let's do the same on the bottom, connect right there, and on the sides I'm putting 2 little lines to seem that he's smiling so big that we can see his teeth. For the girl, we're gonna do the eyes. They are closed, so we're gonna do 2 U shapes, upside down letter U's, and I'm passing the marker twice so they look a little bit more. And now I'm gonna do lashes with 2 little lines, and on the bottom I'm gonna put 2 little lines so she looks more like she's really smiling. We're gonna do a C shape for the nose, and we're gonna do the same mouth we did here. Okay, we're gonna do a big smile. So let's start with the 2 curves on the sides, then we join the bottom with a curved line, and now the top with another curved line. And let's don't forget about these lines here that are gonna seem like the teeth. Now I'm gonna put some details on the t-shirts, and let's do on the boy half a circle underneath his chin. So we're just gonna do here half a circle, and here we're gonna do 2 letter U's on the bottom. There. Now to make it look more like a girl, I want to do 2 ponytails, so I'm gonna do 2 curved lines here and 1 on the right. Let's do 1 and 2 and 1, and let's close on the bottom with a rectangle shape. It's gonna be like the elastic. And to finish it up, we're gonna do 3 letter U's all together on the bottom. There. Okay, now let's continue with that. It's gonna be here on the left and then mom on the right. So here I want to start with a line, and the right side we're gonna go here up, and then on the left side I want to leave a space a little bit, and then I'm gonna go up. See, I leave a little bit of a space. And now let's do a C shape, a big C shape for the ear, and let's put the line. Now for the hair I'm going up, and now let's do the top part with letter U's. This time it's gonna be long letter U's, And we're gonna connect from the left side to the right side. So here I'm gonna do 2 U shapes upside down and connecting the hair right here. There. Now let's finish here with a little bit of neck. So look, I'm gonna put a little line. It's a curved line. Now let's close. Is it connect with the ear on the boy? And here I'm just gonna do a line that goes down like his shoulder. For his face, I want to start first with his eyes, and it's the same thing. He has his eyes closed, and it's a U shape, an upside down letter U, the C shape for the nose, and eyebrows are gonna be big for Baba. So we're gonna do 2 squares, and the smile, I want to repeat the process. I want to do a big smile, but this smile is gonna be a little behind the head of the boy. So what we're gonna do is 2 curves. And we're just gonna connect on the top. We're gonna forget about the bottom. So let's do the line here underneath the nose and the 2 lines for the teeth. And then that's it. We're gonna just leave it like that. To finish the dad, we're gonna do here an ear, and that's it. Now let's continue with mama. We're gonna start here with a curved line that goes down. Now let's go up, and we're gonna pass that line a little bit. So here you see it's kind of like in that triangle. And here I'm going to do a little ear, an ear, see, with 2 C shapes. Now from here I'm going to go up with a curve. And now I'm going to imagine here the half of the face is about here. And I'm going to put a little dot. So the half is here. I put the dot right next to it. And let's connect with another line. And one more, and just close it. Now let's go around with a line. It goes here, stop here in the middle, and now let's go up and down again. Let's pass the ear. You pass the ear and pass the end of the face. And here I want to do a teeny tiny line for neck. And now let's do the shoulder. The same we did with that. We're gonna go down. The shoulder is a little big. It shows a little more. And now we connect the hair. Inside, we're gonna do the eyes first. So let's do 2 oval shapes. These eyes are gonna be open. So I'm doing 2 oval shapes, and you can choose whatever face you wanna put on your characters, on your family. Here I'm just showing you different ways to do faces. So here I'm putting 2 little lines underneath her eyes, a C shape for the nose, and mom has a thin eyebrow, so I'm just putting 2 lines. And this time the smile is gonna be 2 little lines, and we're gonna connect them with a curved line, kind of like a U shape. There. Okay, we finished with the family. Now we're gonna do the frame of the Polaroid picture. So I'm gonna start putting a little dot here on the corner, another one right here, and I'm gonna try to don't touch the drawing that we just did. Don't touch your characters. So I'm gonna go around them, putting a little dot and a little dot. And you can use a ruler for this. I'm just gonna do it with my eyes. I'm gonna just try to measure, and I'm gonna do here from point to point. I'm gonna join these 2, and I'm trying to go really slow in no touching my picture. Don't touch the lines of the draw that we just did. See, we're gonna join this, and now on the top I'm gonna leave a little bit more space between the characters and my lines. And let's just close this one, and the same, I'm passing really close to my my characters, but not quite there. Okay, now let's do the frame that is outside, and because I want to make it look like a Polaroid picture, I want to leave a space in between the first square I did. So from this corner I'm going up, putting a little dot, this corner up, a little dot, and let's join these 2. Now let's go down. Let's follow this line, passing this square, putting a dot. The same here. Follow this line, passing the square, putting a dot. And now let's join these 2 right here, and let's join the bottom. And there, that's it. We finished this picture. I hope you can make some changes to make it look more like your